Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia Tatufu, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be creating this pink cut crease makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved it, then definitely keep on watching. In today's video, I'll be starting off with my brows, and I'm just brushing it with my spoolie. I'll be using the Davis pencil in color 18 to fill in my brows. To clean off my eyebrows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige for my bottom eyebrow. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And to set my eyelid, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Colourpop BFF3 palette, and for my transition shade, I'm taking the color Big Cocktail, using a blending brush to blend it out. So guys, I'm going back into the palette, and for my crease color, I'm taking the shade Gino on a flat blending brush. I'm going back in with my blending brush, making sure there are no harsh lines between the transition shade and the crease color. I'm also taking that same shade Gino that I used for my crease color on the outer corner of my eyes. To cut my crease, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 34. I'm placing the concealer on my eyelid, and then I look up. This helps me get the perfect placement of where to end the cut crease. And then I'm just filling it in with the concealer. To set my eyelid, I'm going back into the same palette, and I'm taking the shade Charms. I'm going to use this to set all the areas where I applied concealer. To make sure there are no harsh lines, I'm going back in with the shade Gino that I used for my crease, and I'm putting that in the outer corner of my eyes to blend everything together. To deepen the outer corner of my eyes further, I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, French Kiss, and I'm going to apply that at the outer corner of my eyes and just blend everything out together. To tightline my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline Collosal Kajal. And for my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colosal Volume Express Mascara. To make my wing liner, I'm using the black Radiance liquid eyeliner. My primer, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. This is a mattifying primer. I have oily skin. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Capuccino. I'm going to shake it before I apply it at the back of my hand and then place it on my face. To blend out the foundation, I'm using my makeup sponge to blend it out. I'm going to cream contour today, and I'm taking the Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm using a flat blending brush to blend it out. For my nose contour, I'm going back in with that same Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm using a flat brush to blend it out. To conceal, I'm going to use the Elegel concealer in the shade Fawn. Back with my beauty blender to blend out all the places I applied my concealer. To highlight, I'm using the Elegel concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going back in with my beauty blender to blend it all out. To make sure there are no harsh lines, I'm going back with my beauty blender. I'm using the side where I used for my foundation to blend out my highlight and my concealer to make sure everything is blended out seamlessly. To set my highlight, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm pressing the powder into my skin, making sure that I set everything before I go ahead to bake. Now I'm taking the darker shade in the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette to set all the places where I applied my cream contour. I'm going back in with the same shade from the NYX Contour Highlight and Contour palette to contour my nose. And now we're just using our powder brush to take off all the excess powder that we used to bake. I'm using the Colourpop X Shayla highlighter in the shade Blooming to highlight my face. I really love this highlighter, and you see me use it in most of my videos. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm taking the metallic gold shade in the palette called Butter Cake. And for under my eyes, I'm using the shades I used in my transition and also in my crease. And I'm just setting my face using the Kiss Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. To line my lips, I'm using the Colourpop BFF3 lip pencil. For my lip shade, I'm going in with the Beauty by AD lip gloss in the shade Gleam. For my bottom lashes, I'm going back in with the same mascara I used in my top lash. And so guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.